Okay, today we're gonna make carrot cake cookies with cream in the middle. So it is important that we let them cool before we put some icing on them to make the cream in the middle. So we're gonna make sure they're cool, and then we're gonna get some icing and put it on. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to cover the cookie to be able to squish it down and have enough. Feels like enough. So we're gonna put the top of the cookie on. And there it is. Thank you for watching. So this is our carrot cake cookies with the cream in the middle. Hope you enjoy. Let us know if you make them.